Hello, welcome. I'm David Owen Hastings, and I'm a graphic designer, a gallery artist, and modern quilter. And I'd like to invite you to join me for a online virtual workshop through QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse online. The ninth episode of this is happening this November 2024 and is hosted by Mancuso Show Management. You can take these workshops from the comfort of your own home sewing space on Zoom, and I'll make it a great experience for you. The first workshop I'll be teaching is called Stitched Paper Collage. It's a really fun hands-on workshop where you will be sewing paper with your sewing machine to make small modern compositions. And it's a really great way to expand your design skills, also to have a lot of fun doing something fun with paper and your sewing machine that maybe you've never tried before. That is called Stitched Paper Collage, happening on November 8th. And then on November 9th, I'll be teaching Composing Modern Quilts from Architecture. Now, this is a no-sew workshop where I will guide you through several exercises to develop ideas for modern abstract quilts based on architecture. And we'll take both ideas for the piecing and the quilting of a modern quilt. You'll draw out your ideas, and then I'll give you instruction for how to realize those into a fully functional modern quilt after the class. So please consider joining me in early November 2024 for QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse Online. You can either click the links that are below this video in the comments, or just visit quiltfest.com and search for QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse, and then look for my name, David Owen Hastings, among the instructors, and you'll be guided to my workshops. You can sign up there. I hope to sew with you in November.